Hey, good day. Super excited. How are you doing? Mirabel, how are you? Good afternoon, good morning, good day. If you can hear me, let me know you can hear me. Type in I can, I can, I can. Fantastic, fantastic. I'm excited. It's another day. Fantastic. How's your week been? Fantastic. Good afternoon. Good afternoon. Tell me where you're joining from. Where are you joining from? Where are you joining from today? Good afternoon. Good morning. As usual, you want to share. You want to share. You want to share. Fantastic. We have Mirabel from Belgium. We have Salem from Indian. How are you doing? How is Indian today? We have Ahmed from Kaduna. How is Kaduna? Wow, we have Petra from Malawi. Good afternoon. Good afternoon. Good afternoon. Tell me, tell me, tell me. Good afternoon, Owe. Good afternoon. Okay, so you want to share, make sure you click on the like button, click on the share button, click on the like button, click on the share button, click on the like button, click on the share button. Tell me, tell me, tell me. We have Godwin from Taraba. We have Akinwale from Port Harcourt. Good afternoon. How is Port Harcourt today? How is Port Harcourt today? Okay. Good afternoon, Mr. Ifine. So make sure you like Cosmos from Port Harcourt. Fantastic. Guys, Port Harcourt today. So guys, share. Let's click on the like button. Make sure you share. Click on the like button. Share, share, share. I'm sharing too, so we can get to work. We still have like 2 minutes or 3 minutes to share. As you're joining, I want to know where you're joining from. Samuel is joining all the way from Ibadan. Wow, Ibadan. That's another place I visit almost every month. Yeah, I visit Ibadan almost every month. Okay, tell me where you're joining from. I'm excited about today's session. There's a lot we're going to be talking together today. Oh, we have Egwan from Cameroon. From Cameroon. Great, great, great. So how is Cameroon today? How is Cameroon? Make sure you're sharing. Make sure you're sharing. So today we're going to be walking through our analysis. We spoke about some instrument last week, some currency last week. Hey, Madam Joke, how are you doing? Good to hear from you. It's been a while. And now is Akute. Fantastic. So let's get to work. I'm excited today. How's your trading been today? What trade have you taken this week? Thank you for sharing, Godwin. Godwin has been consistent with sharing our videos. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. So how's your trade been this week? Tell me. What currency have you traded this week? What currency have you traded this week? What currency have you traded this week? So let's start with amazing view that I'm looking at. Okay, let's talk about the indexes. Okay, let's talk about the indexes. A lot of us do not know how indexes work. Okay, so we'll talk about it today. Hey, Samuel Oduma. How are you doing, Samuel? Okay. Ephraim, good afternoon. Victor said he took GBP JPY and CAD JPY. Fantastic. Ephraim said he took gold. Fantastic. Fantastic. Gold is a very volatile market, very volatile, and you can do a lot with gold. You can make a lot of money with gold. So, what pair do you guys want me to work on today? So, let's start with the index. Let's start with the index. Let's start with the index. Okay, so you can see that since 2020 December, JPY has been dropping. Okay, JPY has been dropping, so it needs a retracement back to this rally based drop, and that is exactly what is happening to all the JPYs right now. Okay, so when it comes into the 78, we're going to be looking at the buy opportunities for all the JPYs, and there's a lot of room, especially for CAD JPY, which is almost the same move with what we have on the JPY index. Okay, so currently, if you are taking any sell on CAD JPY, any of the JPY pairs, you're actually trading against the trend right now. Okay, so it's part of the trade I'm expecting this week to sell. Okay, I'm expecting it to sell the same way we're expecting it to come up back for the sell continuation. You can see lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low. So we'll sell from here. And when we are selling from here, that will be the same thing we're going to be doing on CAD JPY, where we're going to be buying from. Okay, so we're expecting that to happen. So I'm expecting a retracement back to the top this week. Okay, between now and Friday, I'm expecting a retracement back to the top so we can sell. So what approves this retracement? You can see that this is the break of structure. This is another structure here. So you've seen a high, a low, a lower high, a lower low. So I expect the market to pull up back to this place for a sell. But support and resistance traders will be looking for a buy here. Okay, which is not bad depending on your strategy. Okay, so it's also the same thing that we're expecting for all the JPYs. We're expecting the same thing to happen here. CHF JPY should retrace back to this order block, this rally based drop, for a continuation. Okay, it's on a drop based rally right now, so there will be a potential retracement back up to this zone. So here in this zone, I expect the market to come up back here. So when it comes back here, we'll be looking for a sell. Okay, but like I told you, this sell is against the trend. So if you're trading anything against the trend, you want to reduce your risk. Okay, you want to reduce your risk. So apparently, all the JPYs are dropping, and I see them drop between now and next week. They keep dropping so that they can correct their uptrend. Then we can join the buy back. Okay, so the sell took off from here yesterday, but I don't trade on Tuesdays. Maybe if I had traded yesterday, I would have caught that move, but I don't trade on Tuesdays. My trading starts from Wednesdays. Okay, any trade that I miss on Tuesday, I accept it. Okay, but it's a real temptation, but I've just wired myself to stick to the period that is consistent. Okay, JPY should pull up back to this place so we can take the sell. So for those that are already taking the sell, fantastic, congratulations. I missed the sell, but I feel that we still have a lower high, a lower low, a lower high, a lower low. So I'm going to be waiting for this rally based drop. Guys, I wait a lot. Waiting is my gift, and I learned it the hard way. So So instead of me taking against the trend right now, I'll just hold on for this guy to come back here. You can look for a sell with a confirmation entry on 30 minutes or a 50% order of this order block for a continuation. So tell me, hey, good afternoon, Olagoke. Good afternoon. Good afternoon. So last week we spoke about GU sell. I told you that if you buy it, it's going to be against the trend. And for those who obey, congratulations. And those who took buy, I'm sure that your body have calmed down right now. You know, I saw that sell last week, but hey, I saw the buy, sorry, last week, but I told you guys this was the buy last week. It's a risky buy, okay? A risky buy. So it took off here, and that was the sell. Okay. And I know some of you are still saying that it's still going to buy. The challenge we have right now is that euro is weak. So euro is still going to drop. Euro is dropping to euro have about 5,000, about 1,500 pips to go downward. Okay. But euro can retrace back to this level, this zone. So this is the only place I can sell from. Okay. The same way this base drop worked. So euro need to take us some buy up to this place for us to sell. For us to sell. So tell me what pair do you want me to analyze today? Musa Musa said, good afternoon, sir. I'm really learning a lot from you. Thank you, sir. You're welcome, my brother. I can help. Glad I can help. What analysis you want us to start with tonight today? I've reviewed to you CAD JPY. Tell me what analysis you want us to start with. AUD USD. I feel AUD USD will still have a lot of room to sell. So I'm not interested in the short buy. I'm not interested in the short buy. But let's check it out. Hey, more. Richard, are you back to Lagos now? Great guy. So let's check AUD USD. It's not part of my trade this week. Let's go from, let me clear my screen. Okay. So on monthly, we're expecting a retracement to this place on monthly. Okay. Until it gets here, no buying. keep selling until you get here, no buying on monthly. On weekly, until it gets here, no selling. Okay. On daily, until it gets here, no selling. Okay. So I need to see the market retrace back here. And if you've been following me well, you see that this is an impulse, this is a correction, this is an impulse. So I see a correction here. Okay. So if you follow the monthly zone, you can see that the monthly, this is where the monthly is coming to. Okay. So if that is the case, I will be waiting for a retracement back to this place so that we can have a lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low retracement, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low retracement. So if there's anything to do, if you come to 4 hours right now, the only option we have is to trade the short-term entry. Okay. So the market broke this demand, and this is the supply that broke it. Okay. Okay. And you can see that you have a what? Lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low. Okay. So if I'm going to trade 4 hours time frame, I will wait for the market to come into this place. Break it on 15 minutes, then drop. Okay. So that's the only reason that I will look for a short-term sell here. So my entry will be on 15 minutes. If I can get a break of structure there. Okay. This is where I'm going to be looking for a sell. And this must happen during the Australian session or the USD session. If it doesn't happen during the Sydney session or US or New York session, I will not put my money. Okay. So, and if USD weakens up, it will break. It will break through this. It will break through. And once it breaks through, that means that I will be waiting for daily. Okay. I'll be waiting for this daily zone. So those are my areas of concern. Okay. And if it breaks daily zone, then I will come to weekly. Okay. So for intraday, I'll trade 4 hours because of this lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low. And this is a flip zone. This is a flip zone. Okay. If you know this is a stop loss hunt. This is a change of trend. So the market can come here, and I'll put this also in the paid group in case, I'm a potential swing position trader, so I really don't do 4 hours, but it's not a bad one. So this is my point of interest right now. Okay. This is my point of interest right now. Okay, so I will be looking for a sell here. Okay. And if we are selling here, that means that we're going to be buying UCAD. UCAD would have gotten to a good place. Okay. This is the same behavior UCAD has. If you flip this guy to invert scale, you see that it's the same thing that UCAD has. UCAD has the same behavior. with AUD card. They are correlated, positive correlated. Okay? So this guy has to come up here. We have a flip zone. We have a 4-hour supply. So that's the only intraday I have. So don't buy. And if you have lever, you can take drop base rally. Okay? Can take drop base rally. But this will be against the trend. Okay? But I don't recommend it. I've told you it's a 20% chances. So instead of risking your money on a 20% chance, why? Why do you want to? You work so hard for that money. Why? You know, you work so hard for that money. Why do you want to trade against the trend? Okay. Okay. And it's very important. I know we want to make money daily. Uh, Even the Holy Scripture says, I think that should be Proverb 13:1. Uh, Proverb 13:11. So calm down. Hmm? Hmm? See, wealth from get rich quick scheme quickly disappear. I didn't say it. Oh, it's the only Bible that says it. Wealth from get rich quick schemes quickly disappear. Wealth from hard work grows. Wealth gained hastily. Wealth gained hastily is swindled, but whoever gathers little by little will increase. So that is how I trade. Not because scripture says so, but but you have to be patient. So, instead of trading against the trend, why not wait for it to come in alignment? And if it breaks this zone and there is no entry, go to the next zone. Okay? Does that help somebody today? Is AUD USD clear? Yeah, that's it, my brother. Yeah. So make sure you are not after the wealth that grows hastily. Oluwagbemiga Toluwani say, you are quoting scriptures again. I don't understand. So wait. I should not quote what I read. It's what? No. Scripture is complete now. The Bible is complete now. So don't fight it. Don't fight it. Calm down. Tell yourself, calm down. Type your name and type in calm down. Type your name and type in calm down. Okay, so Okay, so you wait for it. So AUD USD, let me drop the charts for you. AUD USD. So that's AUD USD for you guys. So you wait, just wait for the pullback. When it pulls back, okay, that's the analysis. Wait for it. Once it comes back into that zone, then shoot it. Shoot it. Wait for confirmation, shoot it. Then the next one, okay. Richard said, Sir, I am a potential long-term sell on Kachef. Was was your what's your view on Kachef? Yeah, Kachef. Yes. That Kachef is my multiplier for the month of July. Kachef is a multiplier for the month of July. I'm waiting for it. Kachef is gonna be amazing. Kachef is going to be amazing. It's going to be amazing. Just wait for it. Toluan, calm down. Excellent afternoon. Excellent, my brother. Excellent. AUD Chef has an amazing potential. Do you use any indicator for confluences? I don't. I don't use any indicator, but you can. I am not against indicator. The best you can use either a lagging or a leading indicator. Okay, you can use RSI. You can use MACD. Okay, you can use moving average. Okay, but I trade pure price. I trade pure price. Samuel says, Sir, my comment above. Comment above. Can you comment above? What's your comment above? What's your comment above? Sir, can you show me a confirmation entry on GU and EU you just analyzed? Okay. Okay, okay, my chart is not coming up. Okay, so this is AUD chef, AUD card chef. Then I'll go to your Euro USD. Okay, so this is against the trend. It's a counter trend, but this is my view. Uh, this is my view. It's a long-term sell. If you can catch this sell, this is your. This is lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, and the market came back in. So this is where we are selling catch F on monthly. Okay, so when you take that to daily, you see that on daily time frame, in the monthly zone, the market cleared this structure and it dropped and it went back up. So this is the entry, the first entry on. This is the first entry on daily. So I am waiting for the main entry. I'm waiting for the main entry on the. Okay, this is my main entry. So I'm going to be selling from here. Then I'll hold this guy for the next 4 months. Okay, catch F will hold for 4 months. I'll be exiting catch F. Anything below 73, 66. Okay. That's about 1,100, 1,200 pips. That's where I'm going to exit catch F. So catch F is sweet. Okay, but right now we're on a reversal. We're on a reversal. This will happen this week, next week. The only thing I'm reading now, I need to be seeing when it will happen. Okay. I have an idea of where it will go to, but I can't predict when it will happen. Okay. Maybe I can fast more. Okay, if I can pray the more, Father, I want to be seeing the future. So I'll also tell you, it will happen 4 p.m. and Thursday, 15th of July 2022. When I don't know why I'm a bit spiritual today, but it's fine. Okay, so the market is coming here for a sell. Around 7,700, we're going to be looking for a sell. Okay, that's what I'm going to be looking for a sell. Yeah, yeah, fast more. Yeah, maybe I'll fast more so I can begin to see. Say, guys, today is Wednesday, 6th of 6th of July. Go and buy. So I'll not be using candlestick again. I'll just be using candlestick to do follow to show you people small things. We will like it spiritual, sir. We like it spiritual, sir. Okay, now let's go. Okay, so that's what we're waiting for. So if you are in catch F right now, the people in my community are complaining. We spoke about the, you know, we spoke about the catch F yesterday on yesterday night class. Okay, and we gave the entry. You see, catch F to be taking London session or New York session. You know, catch F left us behind. I am crying. Chris B, don't cry. But this is already this guy has been in ITC for more than a year. Said, don't cry. We will catch it at the supply, which is the main move. That will be the third way. It will pay for all. That is how we rock and roll it. Okay, so We're waiting. So let me go to Samuel. Samuel says that Samuel Duma is saying something about confirmation entry. Confirmation entry is you going on lower time frame and seeing the market do some some manipulation. Okay, if you have watched my video before on manipulation, you will get that. So manipulation means that the market does not have the right to start selling. Okay, there will always be manipulation. For example, I missed this trade in the month of June. When the market came into this place, this rally base drop, okay, when you go to 1 hour, so all this place now, this is called manipulation. You can see the market dropped, this place is manipulation. Okay, so when the market comes in, you don't sell immediately. You always want to see if this is the zone. On lower time frame, you will see something like drop, go back up, drop, then come back for that retracement. So this would have been the buy. I can't draw that right now. Okay, so let's say, so we'll be creating new highs. Okay, but you just see that the market broke the lower time frame, break the structure and retrace back. Some people call it head and shoulder. Some people call it. There's so many people with different names. So there are so many confirmation checklists you can do. Sometimes it will give you Wyckoff. Okay, it will give you ST. It will clear. Then it will give you up trust. Then it will finally drop again. Then retrace back. Then eventually sell. So all this is the patience you need to have on daily time, on lower time frame. Okay, so whenever you look at the chart, understand that, especially on lower time frame, understand that a lot of manipulation will happen. So if you identify a zone, wait for it. Just wait for it. The market will come. So this is a rally based drop. This is another rally based drop. So if you go to 4 hours, let's see if there is a flip zone that has supply. Okay, there's a flip zone. Okay, so when the market comes into this place right now, on 1 hour you see, or 15 minutes, you see the market touch the line, break down, come back up, break down again, come back up, then you now sell. So this is called confirmation. Okay, because the market cannot touch it and start dropping immediately. On lower time frame there will be reaction, but when you look at it on higher time frame, you will see that it will just kiss it and start going down. Okay, so very clear. Is that clear, please, Samuel? Samuel Oduma, is that clear? Sir, you gave a trade call last month ago on AUD Chef. That trade had done more than 1,000 pips and price got to the target you projected. This kind of trade requires patience. Yes, my brother, that is how we rock and roll it. But you have to be patient. People like my results, but they don't like to wait for it. That's where the work is. People like my result, but I I do a lot of waiting. I don't like it though, but I don't have option. Okay, but whenever I remember the holy book that says money that is gotten, you will lose it. Ah, so I give myself brain. I'm not saying that because don't go and quote me. I'm not saying scalping is not good though. Okay, I'm only telling you that my own, the one that worked for me, the one that worked for me and my team. Yeah. Yes, sir. Thank you, sir. But it looks like the GU did not give confirmation entry. I'm wondering why I missed it. If you miss it, go to the next one and stop wondering. You have over 30 assets to trade now. Okay? I don't wonder. I trade. Like I was expecting Kachev to come to my zone this morning. He didn't come. I didn't, Please go to the next one. Okay? We have over 30 currencies to trade in a week. Okay? Yes. What's your view on AUDNZ? What's your own view? What's your own view? Eh? Chuku William, you've been following me for a while. Oh, yeah, tell me. What's your own view? What's your own view? Tell me. What's your own view? Buy or sell? I think I will start bringing some of you that you are hardcore follower of my training. I'll start bringing you on to join me soon. I'll start bringing you on. We'll start analyzing together. Okay, I'm seeing sell. Uh-huh. Somebody, somebody is seeing sell, somebody is seeing buy. Chuku is Chuku Yem is seeing sell. Oshokoya is seeing Oshokoya is seeing buy. Uh-huh. You are both correct. Okay, just that one person will be seeing counter trend, the other person will be seeing one person will be seeing counter trend, the other person will be seeing with the trend. Timmy wrote his own in capital letter. AUDNZD sell. You are all correct. It is just for profiting, guys. So let's check it together. Let me share my view. Me too, I can be wrong. But I used to tell you, stop making me look. I'm not a Superman. I've just gathered enough experience. Okay, that's the difference. I've gathered enough experience. Okay, so number one, AUD is on a uptrend. Okay, number one. Okay, this is a low. This is the low. And this is the higher low. Okay? If you agree with me, type in I agree. You can see that this move went up and broke this change of trend. Then retrace back. This is uptrend. If you agree, type me I agree. Monthly is uptrend. If you agree, type in I agree. So your screen, oh really? Okay, let me clear it again. Okay, so this is monthly. This is the outermost low of the market. Okay, this is the lower high of the market. Then the market pulled through and broke out of that zone. Okay, the market pulled through and broke out of that zone. Okay, the market pulled through and broke out of that zone. Okay, let me stop sharing. It's like let me reshare. Don't worry, calm down. Share. Okay. Okay, you can see my screen now, right? Okay, so I said this is the outermost low of the market, and this move went up and destroyed this level. Okay, so this is the low, then this is the high. Then this gives us what? Higher low, and this is currently the what? The higher high. If you agree with me that the market is uptrend, monthly chart is uptrend, type in I agree. Because it has created a low, a high, a higher low, a higher high. Okay, so just to help those that are saying buy and those that are saying sell. Okay, fantastic. So if you agree, type in I agree. Good. So if that is the case, the next point of action is we'll go to so if that is the case, we have a drop-based rally here, which I'll be buying here in the future. Then we have a what? A rally-based drop here, which is another block that declared this last buy. So if that is the case, I'll go to weekly. On weekly time frame, this is the last move that I'm expecting. Okay. So having established that, Mr. Mayowa, there is a drop-based rally here. Now, this drop-based rally is at the completion of monthly zone. Okay, is at the completion of monthly zone. So there will be a battle between this monthly demand and monthly supply. There will be a battle between this monthly demand and monthly supply. Knowing fully well that the impulse move has the impulse move has completed its race, so we need to see some quality reversal. Okay, so that means that there is no clear direction on weekly, but there is a clear direction that the market is buying. on monthly. Good. Then daily time frame. So this is daily time frame. Daily time frame, okay, according to what we have, daily time frame got a disruption of structure here. Because of the disruption of structure here, that means that daily time frame has aligned with monthly reversal. Okay, so currently this will be a sell, okay, on daily to come to where monthly buy, okay, to come to monthly buy or come to the extreme low where we are going to. So we are selling right now. So from this, we can now go to 4 hours time frame. Okay, so on 4 hours time frame, we have seen the impulse move. Okay, so I'm expecting it to still come up if possible, but right now we have seen an impulsive move that dropped, and this is the current supply, which is on 4 hours. Okay, so it's apparently a counter trend. Okay, so I will expect the market to still pull up back into this place for a sell. So this is where I'm going to be selling. This is where I'm going to be selling. Because of this impulse, I'm going to be selling somewhere here. I'm going to be selling somewhere there because it's now against the trend. Okay, and that trend needs to complete the move. So this is how you have to always see the market. Okay, that it is on monthly buy does not mean the monthly move is completed already. How do you know? Okay, a good one is copy this wave, drag it. You can see it's almost there. Okay, so I see a rejection back here, which will allow us to sell, allow us to buy. Sorry, then we can buy. So I can be wrong. Okay, I can be wrong. This is the clear of liquidity. This is the clear of structure. This is the impulse. This is the retracement. He has created another impulse. We expect another move. Okay. But this is my major entry. This is the major place I'm expecting. Because this guy is on a daily supply right now. He's on a rally-based drop, right? Okay. So I expect it to drop more. And he has cleared this structure on daily. He has cleared it. And he also cleared this guy here. Okay. So you should have a sell. My bias is sell at this place. So I can't buy. Because if you buy, it's danger. You can buy here because there was no reversal here. You can't buy here again because there is already a reversal here. I hope that helps. Can you imagine? Oluwafemi said, I agree. I learned from the best. I'm just trying. I'm just trying. Is AUD? Is AUD clear? Is AUD NZD clear? Is it clear? Okay, so I've given AUD USD, I've given Euro USD, and I've given GBP USD. I've also given AUD NZD. I think we are good for today. So somebody is saying, Mr. Mayowa, analyze. I think I saw somebody say US 30. Yes. Okay, so I'll round up the analysis on US 30. Samuel Oluwadara says, please, sir, can you analyze US 30? I don't know what people are doing there, but let's go there. people can people can trade. Let's go to US 30. Okay. While we're doing that, while that is coming up, can you take your time right now and share this video? Click on the share button. While it's coming up, click on the share button. Click on the share button. Click on the like button. Share. You are getting it free. Let somebody else get it free. Okay. Some of them said I've shared. Just that it's taking time to load, but we'll load. Make sure you also like the video because of the algorithm. So let's check what US 30 has for us. US 30 is taking time. It's taking a lot of time. Okay. I almost said let's use US ferry. Okay. US 30. Ooh, look at soup here. This guy has dropped. Sell. Keep selling. Rally base drop. Lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low. Sell here. If it breaks this zone, sell here. Because there will be a lot, there's huge crash that is coming. I've been telling you guys since how many months now? Keep selling. So what can we buy here? If you have liver, okay. But if you are following the scriptures, that money that is gotten through get quick. So money that is gotten through impatience will be lost. So calm down and be patient. Okay, so this guy will come here, sell from there. Lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low. Wait for confirmation. Go to 1 hour and confirm here. Maybe I'll trade this guy on my exotic pet broker. It's been a while I traded US 30. So that just obey the rules, guys. Obey and trade structure. Sell at this spot. Okay, fantastic. Another smart question here. Richard said, hello, sir. How do you feel or react when price retraced and did not mitigate your demand or supply zone and price drop to your direction? What do you do? I just ignore. Okay, but what can I do in most cases is I now use lower time frame. I use lower time frame to kill it off. I use lower time frame to kill it off, to re-enter on lower time frame, maybe on 15 minutes or on 30 minutes. But a lot of time I just ignore. I have some money in my brokerage account now. I didn't pick any trade last week. But was there trade? Yes, there was trade. This week we have 4 trades in the community we are waiting for. If I end up not trading, but I know that when I enter one, I enter well. That AUD chef that you spoke about, somebody in our community used to take 100 trade to $1,400. Just one trade to kill $1,400. So it's not of multiple trade, it's of quality versus quantity. Quality versus quantity. Okay, so Samuel says, how do you manage all this watching a lot of pairs? Sometimes it's confusing. You are the one making it confusing. It's not confusing. I don't trade every time. I go to monthly and I only pick trade in the monthly zones. That's what I'm trading for the month. So this month now, my pair for the month is CAD chef, AUD NZD, AUD chef. Those are my pairs for the month. So if I go and be trading Euro USD, it's not, they are intraday for me. So you don't trade all pairs. Trade pairs in the zones for the month. That's all. That's how to enjoy it. If not, you'll be tired of trading. Although some people said that trading is not boring, but I can tell you trading is boring. Trading is boring. There's one of the guys in our community. He was tired of holding trade. NZD chef. He was tired. He closed the trade. He said he was tired. I don't know where making money is tired. But it could be frustrating. So that's it. Okay, thank you so much. I don't want this to be longer than this. I don't want the video to be longer than this. Thank you so much. If you gain some value, Type in, I gain some value. Type in, I gain some value. Type in, I gain some value if you gain some value. I'm excited. Okay. And we're coming up with an intraday strategy in our community later in the month. We're test running it. Starting from the month of August, it will be public for our team. We want to be able to know that the waiting group, we are in the waiting group and also in the intraday. And the intraday is making a lot of sense. Okay? A lot of sense. At least you can do 1 to 2% of your account every day. 1 to 2% of your account every day. And you don't rush. If you become aggressive, if you blow your account, but it's very sweet, like very sweet. So we're waiting because some people are really not patient traders. But we're going to enjoy it in the ITC group. God bless you for this session. Namaste. Thank you. You're welcome. I gained so much value, coach. You're welcome. Taban, Alfred. Alfred, we can't wait to have you around in the group. I gained so much value. Fantastic. Thank you so much. Still trying hard to join your inner circle. Don't try hard, just plan. Don't try hard, just plan. Just plan. Just plan. It's about $1,000 in a year, $100 every month. Just calm down. Just calm down. But there's a lot to talk about. There's a lot. Okay? Thank you so much for the feedback, and I'm really excited. I'm really excited. If you have not, I'm having a closed door training on Friday, 7 p.m. Okay? 7 p.m. I will come soon after my research paper. We can't wait, my brother. I gained a lot today. You're welcome. Okay. There's a 10x course, 10x video course that I ran some advert to. Okay, and I want to have a private session with these students on Friday, 7 p.m. If you are not on this email list, I'll give you for free. If you're already in my inner circle, no need. Okay, but if you are not, go to this link. Okay, go to this link, mywowolabi.com/10xfx account. So all the people that sign up for this class, I'm having an closed door training with them on Friday, 7 p.m. Nigerian time, West African time. And it's going to be a deliverance session, especially for a lot of them that have lost money. So make sure you're there, and make sure 7 o'clock you're on that Zoom. Okay? It's just for 100 seaters. It's just for 100 seaters. Okay? Yeah. But I might use my Jesus mind to increase, and the list is already over 1,000. So I only need 1% to be 10% to be in class. Okay? So you go to this place, sign up, watch the video for free. Okay, watch the video for free. Then make sure you are in class on Friday. On Friday is a closed door meeting for 100 students. Okay, and we'll take it up from there. Okay, guys, that'll be all for today. Thank you so much for your time. My name remains Mayowa. Thank you so much for the feedback. Just keep praying for me. my team and I, we are sold out to see you succeed. Okay? And don't forget to keep sharing, keep sharing, keep sharing. Our goal is to give quality free education to 1 billion people. So please make sure when you see any of our videos, make sure you share, like, share, so that we can reach out to 1 million people this year. We just want to be a blessing to people, and we're good to go. And obviously, the people that can afford will join the group. The people that cannot afford, they can also gain some amazing free content that can help their training. My name remains Mayowa Owolabi. I look forward to your success. If you have not subscribed to this channel, make sure you subscribe. Make sure you like the video. And I'll see you tomorrow, same time as we talk about cryptocurrency. Tomorrow is going to be amazing. I'll be talking about 3 top coins in one of the categories, okay, that you can look out for, and we're good to go. Have a pleasant day. I'll talk to you guys soon. Peace out, guys.